Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell in USD, Euro, INR, or another currency on Shopify? In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your store currency and what to watch out for before doing it. Let's get started. Before you change your store currency, remember, once you process your first order, Shopify locks your currency setting. After that, you will need to contact Shopify support to change it. So it's best to set it correctly before launching your store. So log into your Shopify account dashboard. Now go to settings from the left bottom left, then scroll down to store currency settings or currency display name, then click change the store currency. Now choose your store currency like USD or Euro, GBP in your INR, etc. Then click save. That's it. Your store is now set to display and process payments in your chosen currency. Go back to admin panel. Changing your store currency affects prices displayed on your all product pages, checkout totals, reports, and analytics payouts from Shopify Payments. If you are using a third-party payment provider, make sure it supports the currency you have selected. If you want to sell in multiple currencies, go to settings, then markets, and allow customers to shop in their local currency based on their region. From here, based on their region, like euros in Europe, CAD in Canada, you must be using Shopify payments to enable automatic currency conversion. Now go to online store, then view your store, and that's how to change your Shopify store currency or add multi-currency support for global customers. Smash that like button if this helped. Drop a comment if you need help with Shopify payments or markets, and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.